Now let's do a normal slab registration. As you can see, I will choose a material that is already registered. But you can also register a new one on the same page using the plus Add New button. Remember, that is the fast way. Once you create it, you don't need to do this again. This SlabWare only synchronized on QuickBooks when you create a build or an invoice. Pictures are not important to QuickBooks. On these labs registrations, see that I have already added one build. That means that SlabWare is so smart that a build is automatically created and all these labs will be on this system with the price cost. And as a result, you will have a QuickBooks build and we can synchronize this later. Okay, now we have the new bundle with these labs and we are going to synchronize the order in the easy way.